Well, we had an active Wednesday across the area, some flooding. Today, not as active, a lot of cloud cover. So what's the weekend have in store for us? Well, Friday, we're going to see some isolated showers, thunderstorms this weekend. Some of those thunderstorms could be on the stronger side, so we'll have to watch for that. And then for next week, the heat returns. Well, it is summer after all, so we know that that heat is going to be back. Right now, a beautiful evening unfolding across Charlotte. Temperatures right now in the 70s and 80s, 79 here in Concord, 79 in Charlotte, 78 in Hickory, and 75 in Morganton. The cooler spot up in Boone right now it's 70 degrees. Not a lot going on here across the immediate area. We have to look down here into South Carolina. In Chesterfield, we had a few showers. Those are starting to give way as we lose a lot of that instability. We do have that stalled front that created those clouds earlier today. Stalled front bringing some precipitation across the low country of South Carolina into eastern North Carolina. Thankfully, all that precipitation is going to stay off to the east, so we don't have any concerns tonight. Futurecast will agree with us there as we see partly cloudy skies throughout Thursday night into your Friday morning, so a pleasant start. As we get into the afternoon, a few showers starting to bubble up in the mountains. And then as we get into the afternoon, those showers and thunderstorms start to bubble up into the foothills and Piedmont as we get into some of that instability. Those showers kind of stick around in the foothills. We'll have to watch that. Could produce some heavier rain, maybe some isolated flooding up there. But overall, those showers, thunderstorms come to an end by midnight. Saturday morning, we should see a great morning for any outdoor activities you may have. Here's a look at tomorrow. Again, mountains in the 70s, otherwise foothills and Piedmont, you're in the upper 80s and low 90s. And again, a 30 to 40% chance of a shower or thunderstorm. If you're heading out tomorrow night to the baseball game up at the Truist Field, we're going to start off in the 80s and we'll fall into the upper 70s by 9 p.m. And again, a shower or thunderstorm possible, but not a washout. So get out there and enjoy some baseball if you get the chance to. This weekend, we're going to see temperatures in the 90s both on Saturday and Sunday. That heat and humidity sticks around, so we could see some thunderstorms as well. That's why we've issued that first alert. Some of those storms could be on the stronger side. That humidity also could give us some sticky conditions, especially for the end of the weekend. Sunday, you can see there, dew point 71. And they stay in the mid to upper 60s and low 70s throughout next week. With that humidity in the air, we also could see some rainfall. We had a lot of rain in March. Since then, not a lot. We saw a lot of rain this week, though. Almost 2 inches for the month of July, and that's put us above average for our year. And that's also erased a lot of this drought. Remember last week, mountains, foothills, you were in these abnormally dry conditions. Not so much now. It's confined to the Piedmont areas, and we'll see that rainfall continue over the next few days. So hopefully we can start to erase some of these dry conditions. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Those 90s sticking around throughout the weekend. Next week, we start to warm into the mid-90s. Wednesday, 95. Thursday, we're also going to see 95. We have this dome of high pressure over the central part of the country. That's got a lot of heat associated with it, and that heat's going to start to move off to the east. So again, we're going to be running hotter for next week. So temperature of 95 degrees next Thursday. If we kind of extend that out past Thursday, those 90s stick around into next weekend.